Folks, I get to pick my jelly.
Strawberry preserves, grape jelly, or apple. Okay, he's going with strawberry.
I'm going with the first one she told me I could pick.
I said I'm going to let you too. I said I'm going to let you pick your jelly.
I'm going to let you pick the jelly you want. Because you're getting to be a big boy. This is all I wanted this morning. I go with what I feel.
Butter and jelly biscuit. I made gravy for the kids.
But what else I get to do? She's going to let me pour my coffee. Oh, partner. Oh, buddy. He want to come out. Some of y'all might like to see his horse has got blue eyes. Look at there.
I think still 3. We'll do Aspen, Denver, and Long.
Okay, got you.
It is now, what time is it? 1:41. I'm about to start some Great Northern beans in here for supper. Sissy brought the Instant Pot in here for me, and I was like, it's missing this little thing. So she went back in there to look for it, and I just thought it might be inside, because sometimes it is. So I opened the lid. So now that there's been a safari going on in here, I'm going to wash this out real quick before I start the beans. And this was also in there. I'm glad it was kept safe from the tiger.
This was the
I made some coffee in the French press a little while ago. These rainy days, you get sleepy in the afternoons. I found a hippo, a cheetah. Is that a rhino?
Yeah, because it has that horn.
Okay, a tiger. Is that a tiger?
Yeah, because it has a striped elephant. It's a wolf.
All right, I'm about to clean the bookshelf up because it is crazy over there. But first I wanted to show y'all these. I forgot to show them to y'all yesterday. I didn't do the grocery haul because it was pretty much the same things that I always get. But I did get these two things that were new. This dish drying mat, which I have a blue one of these. These are my favorite ones. I thought they were Better Homes and Gardens, but they're not. They're mainstays. I was happy that they had this brown one in. They've only had that blue color for as long as I can remember. They've only had the blue color at our Walmart anyway. They had this brown one and another color. I can't remember what color it was. I had it first. Then I saw this one, so I got that one. And I got this 5-piece kitchen set. It's part of the Drew Barrymore Beautiful line. And it comes with a pot holder, the basket of course, a flour sack towel, a kitchen towel, and an apron. And I think it's just a waist apron. Okay, this one is the flour sack towel. It's pretty. This one's just the regular kitchen towel. Pot holder matches the flour sack towel. It says beautiful at the top. And then here's the apron. I want to put this down here, I think. Almost done. More coffee. Clean that every day?
Yeah.
Every day of your life, you're over there cleaning that?
Yeah.
I've never seen you do it before.
I've seen Shiny Queen. Everything's clean now. It smells back normal.
What's it smell like?
Soap.
It smells like soap.
Yeah. Is it hot?
No, it's not hot.
Oh, nice.
Okay, I got the potatoes going for mashed potatoes. Beans are done in the Instant Pot. A monkey just ran up behind me.
Sissy made me this.
Oh, she made you that? It's like a little telescope, a furry telescope. I'm about to make the cornbread, and I forgot about this, y'all. I saw it in here when me and Manly were looking for the square cake pan yesterday. I can't remember for sure where we got this from. I think it might have been the granary, but I've never used it before. I seriously, the other day when we were there, well, not the other day, I guess it was about a month or so ago, when me and Sissy went, I was like, one day I'm gonna get one of those, I guess it's for cornbread, that's what I'm about to use it for. It's gonna make little individual cornbread pieces. I'm pretty sure this is gonna be more mixed than this pan, so I might have to make a couple of cornbread muffins too, but I've got the oven preheating to 350. I'm gonna put just a little bit of butter into each one of these plates. It'd be nice if this, you know, is just enough for this, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to do a couple of cornbread muffins too. We'll see. Manly's over there trying to put on one of Tyler's belt buckles. I'll just put a little cube of butter in there. Okay, and I'm gonna put it in the oven to let it melt while it's preheating. Oh, I forgot to move my racks back down where I was cleaning it earlier. Now, I have to wash an egg real quick. I need to wash eggs tonight, so I'll have them ready for breakfast in the morning. There are a bazillion eggs over there. For real, maybe 50 eggs over there. I don't know, I haven't counted them, but there are a lot. They're laying anywhere from 6 to 10 eggs a day, which is crazy at this time of year, you know.
Yeah, it's still raining outside.
Is it?
Yeah. I looked out the window and it's still raining.
Still raining, huh? It's like a day of family favorites with the food. This morning, I made the sausage gravy biscuits. That's probably the most requested thing that the kids ask for, besides pancakes. Pancakes might be number one. And then at lunch, we had to find what you want, which is their favorite. They love to just find their own whatever they want for lunch. And then tonight, beans, cornbread, mashed potatoes with gravy. We're gonna make some brown gravy. And for the meat, I'm just gonna fry up some hot links. That was my favorite meal when I was a kid too. My mama would make, she would use canned Lux pinto beans, biscuits or cornbread, and we would do fried weenies. We just called them fried weenies. She would get those McEvers hot dogs. It is good. I'm just gonna turn this around a little bit to get that butter everywhere. I think I can fit this in here. There's just enough in here to make like one cornbread muffin. We're gonna try to fit as much of it as we can in here. Okay.
What are you cooking?
Oh, the cornbread.
Woo! If I wouldn't have picked these biscuits up, folks,
Yeah.
she wouldn't have known that her cornbread was at the point of no
Oh, it's
return.
done. No, it's good. I gotta broil the top of it. Cornbread. I got Great Northern beans in here, mashed potatoes here. I'm about to make brown gravy there and some hot links here.
We're eating country tonight, folks. We're gonna eat this with our eyes open.
Caught in the act of adding more butter.
More butter, folks.
I was gonna do homemade brown gravy, y'all, but then I found this Southeastern Meals family size pack in the cabinet, so we're just gonna add water.
Just add butter. You keep it country by just adding water.